I'm Jenny Williams with Extra Living at eXp Realty, and today we're at 4th and Inches Nutrition here in Chelsea, and you're watching Life along 280 in Chelsea. Hey, today I'm here with Danny Jones, and I love coming to his store. I have such a great time stopping by and getting a shake every time I come.
Awesome, we're glad you come.
Well, and you know, we're both from Mississippi, so I always find my Mississippi people. It's kind of a fun thing for me to hear that, and got to meet your wife too.
Yep.
So you have just a great little family business going on here. So why Chelsea?
Why Chelsea? Okay, I've been in Mississippi for the last 46 years of my life, and I'm only 46 years old. So I have a buddy that lives in Helena I'm staying with right now until we find a house in Chelsea, and it's just, we visited several other cities, and then something about Chelsea just drew me to it, and I just had to be here.
Okay, that is a great story, is it not? There's something about Chelsea that just drew me to it, and that's what our city does.
Exactly. Everybody's so nice here.
Well, everybody is so nice. Everybody's nice in Helena too, and you can really though connect with people. And your staff here is great about connecting. They're always asking about my day, or I mean, just the conversations that the girl who runs the register. She's always just so sweet when I come here. So, but you're pretty creative with all of these shakes that you make. I love that in your free time. You're like always cooking up something different.
I do it at home. I do it in the morning when I get here. It's just, I've got to come up with something new every day, it seems like.
So where did you, how did you find out about this business to start it?
Actually, June, a year and a half ago, I don't know the exact date, it was a little over a year and a half ago, I started getting my hair cut, and in that barbershop, they had one of these stores right next to it.
Okay.
And so after I get done getting my hair cut, I go over there and try one of these smoothies out. And sure enough, the barber started talking to me about it because his wife runs their nutrition club back over in Mississippi.
Okay.
And just one thing led to another. We started going to the gym and working out, trying to get healthy, and then here I am in Chelsea, Alabama, making shakes now.
I love it, and how it's not a coincidence then that there is a barber next door.
I know, right?
I picked up on that. You're so clever. So what are in these yummy, delicious shakes?
Well, it's a soy-based protein, and then we use a healthy meal protein powder as well. So it gives you 24 to 27 grams of protein, which is a meal replacement shake. That's what it's meant to do. They've only got 200 to 250 calories, and they sound exactly like, they taste exactly like they sound.
They really do. So Butterfinger has been my favorite one. So I'm kind of a creature of habit. I just always walk in and keep ordering the same one over and over.
We're going to try something new today.
Yeah, well, I'm super excited about that. But
don't know what it is, but we're going to try something new.
Well, and you've made several different things for my husband. So he's had banana pudding, and he's had a couple of different options. And you did have something that wasn't on the menu that you made for me one day.
What was that?
It was the chocolate
chip peanut butter cookie.
Yes, there you go.
That has become famous. Everybody at Forest Oaks Elementary and Chelsea Park Elementary, that's their go-to.
Aww.
They don't even know what it's called because it's too long, so they just call it, I want the Danny Special.
Yeah,
so
see,
they get
the Danny special because he's so creative, and you don't have to get the shake if you don't want to, but they're delicious. You're missing out, and like he has it here, it shows that it's got 24 grams of protein in it, and it's also sugar-free, right?
They're low in sugar, 6 to 10 grams of sugar, and it's
Okay.
artificially sweetened, so it's not real sugars.
Okay, but tell us about the tea.
The teas is where it's at. That's where people get hooked on because it's nothing but good, clean energy that comes from green, black, and oolong teas along with some ginseng and guarana. The word tea scares some people because they're thinking they're getting grandma's sweet tea. It's really like flavored water. The herbal tea concentrate is going to get you anywhere from 175 to 200 milligrams of clean energy. It helps you focus all day long.
Well, I'm the same. You're right. The word tea, because I'm not a huge tea fan myself, but I had to try one.
Right.
So I had the Malibu Barbie, and it was delicious.
Yeah, that one's a good one.
And the Donna, my friend, came with me, and we both had to have the beauty ones
Right?
So what makes it a beauty
The
tea?
beauty is where we add the collagen to it,
Okay.
which helps with skin elasticity and just stretch marks, stuff like that. Helps keep the skin soft and tightened.
Well, good. Well, I'm probably not going to have
look.
one of those today. No, I love that. We're having a blast here, so you need to come and try one. And I think you're about to show me how to make one, right?
Let's do it.
All right. Come on. My brilliant friend suggested that you put together some Chelsea Hornet drinks.
Yes.
And you evidently have been really playing with
I
this.
have. I have been working on it. Haven't perfected it, but we're going to get it right this time, I think.
Oh, I'm going to get to see mad genius right here.
Are we ready?
Yeah. All right, so what are you putting in?
First is ice. I got to get some ice.
I have watched him make a lot of shakes whenever I've been here, and it's kind of fun to watch the whole process.
All right, I'll get water. It's a good thing about a shake. It's ice and water. There's no milk for added fats.
Only for people who can't have dairy.
Right. That's all of the protein drink mix. Some real blueberries. Hopefully the magic Chelsea Hornet flavoring. Shall see.
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna get loud. It's blue. Turning blue.
So how long does it normally have to blend?
25 seconds. And
Okay.
then I pull it off and check the ice to water ratio. Oh, it's turning purple.
So these are Mac Daddy blenders, though.
They are, but this is what makes them a little bit growing. This is how I make
Does
it.
all the work.
A little runny, so I'm gonna add a few more cubes of ice. And I'll tell you what I'm gonna do.
The ice in them that makes it thick and really is, I mean, it really is like having a milkshake without having a
Oh, yeah.
milkshake.
Mm-hmm. More blue in there.
So on this protein powder, well, is it filled with vitamins or?
21 vitamins and minerals.
Okay. Here we go.
Y'all can come on in, Jen.
Okay, but I don't want to be on TV.
And put our top on. Fill it up some more. Oops. Pop some more of this on there.
Looking pretty.
Okay, my middle row didn't come out just perfect, but you have to try it.
I can't wait to try
You
it.
just draw.
Okay. I know this is going to be good, so that means you've got to come by and order one. Thank you. These are some major straws, by the way. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It tastes just like blueberries, and it is a special treat for sure. Ah,
Got a little
go
messy.
Hornets! Y'all, this is so good. This is the Chelsea Hornet Shake, and Danny just created it, and it's super tasty. You have to stop by and order one to show your school spirit, right? And just like we are in Chelsea, we're such a community that normally supports each other. So stop by and meet Danny and everyone that works here. So as we're talking about community, community is the reason that people buy houses when they're drawn to it. You heard Danny say that earlier, that he was drawn to our community here in Chelsea. Well, that's what helps your property values as well. Not every single house in this market right now is selling right away. You hear all of these Facebook stories about we've got offers in a few hours and we've got way over asking price. That's not the case. In fact, I'm putting a house on the market that is in one of the most coveted locations. You talk about community, I can't wait to share it with you. It's right in the middle of everything and it is on a lake, but it's actually been for sale 4, maybe 5 times previously. So you know what my motto is, sell it the first time. See sellitthefirst-time.com so you can get tips on how to maximize this market in your favor. You'll be surprised how much effort goes behind the scenes in getting a house sold. It is not, hey, let's stick it in MLS or let's put one photo out on Facebook. Do those stories happen? Yes, they absolutely can happen because inventory is so low. But if you'll just spend a day with me, you can see all the behind the scenes fun that it really pours into a house that didn't sell the first time, the second time, or even the third time around. If you want to sell it the first time, just give me a call. I'll help you.